I am Kuldeep Singh Rajput, pursuing M.Tech in Embedded System Technologies from Weltech Technical University with collaboration of CDAC ACTS Pune. This is a demonstration of my dissertation of M.Tech. I am doing a project for parking guidance system based on FreeRTOS plus IO framework. This is the final setup of my project. The left side kit, which is named as LPC Express SO, which is designed by embedded artist, and the one stamp which is situated over there, it's Cortex M3 ARM controller LPC 1769 provided by LPCware. The circuit baseboard, which is at right side in the video, which is also designed by embedded artist, and the stamp over its ARM Cortex LPC 1769. The left side of the left side is acting as a slave, and the kit and the baseboard, which is at right side, which is acting as a master. The communication between slave to master is happening through the CAN bus. The yellow line, which is connected as from slave to the master, which is CAN H, and the black one is a CAN L. The green line at the master side is shows as a ground, and again yellow one is as a ground. Coming to the slave part, here basically I am connecting one DSOP 1738 sensor, which is an object detective sensor. So if it gives a signal when object is detected. When I am placing one object, then it will show that particular LED is blinking here. If I am removing that object, the LED will not blink. The LED is acting as an indicator that object is detected. If I am removing it, LED will not detect. So this sensor I am interfacing through GPIO, and to indicate the status of the car in the parking area, I am interfacing one LED, one red LED on the expansion connector, which is provided by the embedded artist baseboard. Here on the slave side, the sensor acting as input, and the LED which is connected on the expansion connector acting as the output, which will indicate the status of the presence of the car and absence of the car, as depends on the input given by the sensor. Here sensor then the data from the GPIO task, which is transmitted to the CAN. In the CAN controller area network, we have the register TDA and TDB, which is able to show the transmit data from slave to the master to the CAN bus. So I am sending a data from GPIO FIO pin register, which will indicate the status of the pin of LED. Once I am sending data from LED to this stamp, the data I am reading the status of LED as well as sensor through the GPIO pin register. The data which is coming from the register, I am sending it to the CAN controller. This is the Cortex M3 LPC 1769, which is having inbuilt CAN 1 and CAN 2. I am taking a CAN 2. Then through this CAN controller, I am sending CAN controller 2. I am sending the data to the master through this CAN H and CAN low pin. At the master side I am getting data from slave. Then again it is storing the data in the LPC 1769 Cortex M3, which is having again CAN 1 and CAN 2. Then this CAN data I wanted to pass over the HTTP based server on the host system. This is my host system that I am connecting the master to the host through RJ45 Ethernet cable, which is connected to the CPU from the back side. To display the car parking status on host system, I am using IP address 192.168.10.2. The host system is connected to the master through AWIP stack. I have started the demonstration code using LPC Express SO IDE. Once I am detecting the object through the sensor, it is giving that object is detected and LED is off. If I am removing the particular object from the sensor, the LED will indicate it's on. Again, if I am pressing the object, LED is off. If I am removing LED is on. If I am pressing the object means car is parked and that particular vacant space is not there. If I am removing LED means we can say space is there, and the particular car person who is at outside, he can easily detect the empty space and park his car. Coming to the software side, I am using here LPC Expresso IDE to run this particular prototype. The LPC Expresso has a features that it gives its output in the console view. We can able to see the current status of the information of the registers data and program flow. Now I am starting the demo. Here I am giving, here it is the code running at slave side. Here I am running this code at slave side. I am sending the data through TDA register. Now it is showing the status as 1000. If I am placing object in front of sensor, the particular value in TDA register will become 0, means object is detected. If I am removing it, it becomes again 1000. Again if I am putting it, becomes 00. Once object is detected, that particular information is sending through from slave to master through CAN bus, and I am getting here the value as 1000 for object detection and 00 for a car is parked. If TDA is equal to 0, means that means the status means car no vacancy. If it is 10,000 means it is that the particular place is vacant, and the LED will show the as LED will low high at slave side. At the server side, which is on host, I am getting can read task. Here is the can read task. Then it states it is running priority 1. It is using stack of 1 stack number, and this 0 indicates that the car is not parked, means that particular place is not vacant. As I am placing any object in front of sensor, the particular value which was previously 0 was written there, now it is becomes 10,000, means that particular pin is glowing high. It indicates that car is parked and that particular space is not vacant. So this information is updated for every 2 seconds as the timestamp which is indicated in the registered in the LWIP stack of 2 seconds through the software timer. Software timer is the implementation of FreeRTOS. So this is how I am sending information from parking slot to the host side through the CAN driver and LWIP stack. Thank you.